Hello, friends. Today is April 7th, 2020, and it is Tuesday. I'm so glad you guys are back. I hope you enjoyed our story from yesterday. Today, we're going to be talking about transportation. If you remember way back, a few months ago, we talked about different ways to get around town. We talked about how we go in our cars and our bikes. We also talked about the other types of vehicles we saw, like police cars, fire trucks, and construction vehicles. Today, we're going to be reading the story, The Little Dump Truck. This is the front cover of the book. Remember, the front cover of the book has a picture, and it also has the title, which is what the book is called, the name of the book. When we turn it over, we see the back cover. And on the back cover, there's also a picture of the dump truck, and that's Hank. Oh, no, I'm kidding. That's Hard Hat Pete, not Hank. I'm so sorry. When we turn it this way, we see the spine of the book. And remember, we have a spine. When we feel our back, we can feel that hard bone that goes up the middle. That keeps us standing upright, just like the spine of a book keeps it standing upright as well. When we open the book, we can find cover pages that also have the title, The Little Dump Truck, as well as other pictures. Now let's look at some of these. We can see lots of different vehicles. We see big trucks, cement trucks, tow trucks, see a garbage truck and an ambulance. The little dump truck. I'm a little dump truck run by Hard Hat Pete. Rattle, rattle, clatter, driving down the street. I'm a little dump truck hauling stones and rocks, bumping, bouncing, thumping, crossing city blocks. Look at all the people that are out in the city as he drives down the road. I'm a little dump truck turning at the light, slowing, braking, stopping at the building site. You see the construction workers? I'm a little dump truck parking in the road, dumping out my load. I'm a little dump truck watching workers build, forklifts lifting beams, big holes being filled. Look, we've got a forklift, we've got a bulldozer, we still have our dump truck. I'm a little dump truck waiting for debris. Excavator scoops, drops dirt into me. Another type of vehicle is an excavator. I'm a little dump truck carting out the trash. On and off, warning red lights flash. I'm a little dump truck driving down Route 10, heading for the landfill to unload again. I'm a little dump truck backing to the right, tipping down my dumper at the garbage site. I'm a little dump truck leaving through the gate, riding down the highway to another state. I'm a little dump truck stopping to get gas. Hard Hat Pete drinks coffee. Other truckers pass. I'm a little dump truck working hard each day. Back and forth, back and forth. I love my job. Hooray! All right. That was the end of our story. You see, the dump truck went all over and he passed lots of places and lots of things. We see other kinds of transportation. We'll point out some more. I see a car. And down here it looks like I see a school bus, a gas tank truck. When you're out and about with mom and dad, see what kinds of transportation you can find. How many different kinds of vehicles can you spot when you're on the road? I hope you guys have a great day. Work really hard and help mom and dad, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.